Taking care of your heart can be as easy as making a simple meal. The dietitians at Stanford Healthcare are helping you put a heart-healthy spin on glazed salmon and rice. We'll be substituting cauliflower rice for white rice, which can be a great way to add vegetables for more fiber and nutrients. Riced cauliflower is available at many grocery stores in the frozen section, or is easily made at home with a food processor or blender. First, we'll prep our sauce and filets. Start by mixing together the ingredients for the sauce. Then, pat the salmon fillets dry. Now, we'll prepare our cauliflower rice. Add your oil to the pan and sauté your shallots until tender. Then add scallion, garlic and ginger, and sauté for about 2 minutes. Add the cauliflower rice in, cook until tender, and season with soy sauce. Next, we'll cook our salmon, skin side down first. Season with pepper and cook for about 6 minutes. Then cook skin side up for about 2 minutes. When your salmon is getting close to being finished, add your sauce, cook until thickened, and coat your fillets. Enjoy this dish all year, and remember that eating heart-healthy can be delicious and easy. For more recipes and heart-healthy tips from the dietitians of Northern California's #1 cardiology and heart surgery program, visit stanfordhealthcare.org/food for heart.